Welcome to the new lesson of Guru School. And in this presentation, I'm going to go ahead and complete the campaign. In the prior video, we have just created the campaign, and in the campaign, we have created some ad groups, and inside the ad groups, we had created some ads. Now, what was the complete process? We'll create some extensions. We'll also add some new negative keywords, and also we'll also play with little bit of bit adjustments. This is the whole story of this today's video. So let's get into this. So what I'm going to do is, of course, first of all, I'm going to get into my campaign. Inside the campaign, which is new courses, and inside this, I'll go to my ads and extensions. And look at this. These are my ads, and inside these ads and extensions, I'll go to extensions. And inside the extension, what I'll go for it, I choose the plus icon, and I select what extension do I need to start. So suppose I have a lot of options, so I'll start with site link extension. This is my site link extension. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to start making my first extension. Suppose my first extension as I selected, that's add site link, and this is under the campaign. Which campaign? New courses. That exactly the same which I wanted. Do you want to create a new one, or do you want to use the existing one? I would say I want to create a new one. I don't want to use the existing one, right? Suppose my site link text, it's going to be, so I'll go for online best courses. This is my first text, and I want to give the description. You know what? I have just copied a little bit of, I have prepared I have prepared some of the pre-text. So suppose I'm just copying this one, and instead of dot, let's remove this. Reporting and optimization, give it right here. And what's my final URL? Suppose my final URL is gonna be dummy.guruschool.in. Inside that, I'll go for course page, course dashboard. This is my page. I want to give them. This is my final URL. And let's create a different star link as well. And different star link says best courses available. Again, in the description video, let me put the same thing, because I'm providing the same thing, I guess. Once you've done this, put the same URL as well. Up to you. Do you want to create more site link or not? That's totally up to you. I have just chosen the 2 site links. I guess again I need to go for 3. Let's choose the third one. Duplicate site link extensions won't appear. Okay. Your site link text and the final URL must be unique. All right, no problem. Let's say I have more options. Instead of this, let's go for this one. And instead of this, let's go for with best trainers. Righty? May I go for this one? They need a different URL too. Okay, for this, I can go for thank you page. Let's copy and let's paste it. Is it okay? That's okay. Let's say I'm not going to URL options right now, because I have told you I'm gonna give you the more detail about it. I'm gonna let you know in detail, but in the next videos. In advanced options, they're totally up to you. Do you have any kind of device preference? I would say I want to run my ad on all the tablets and all the mobile and all the technologies. Then I have, do you have any kind of start date and end date? Nah. Do you have any kind of days and hours selected? I would say no, I haven't. I don't want to, prepare a schedule. I would say save. Don't go for third one. Yeah. This is how it look like. This is site link for my which campaign? This is the campaign for my new courses, right? Let's create one more. Suppose I want to create one more. Let's see, I want to create call out extension. In the call out, of course, it's campaign for new courses. Let's suppose first call out text, it's gonna be writing. Second, suppose it's entrepreneurship. I don't know what's that. I mean, I know what's entrepreneurship, but I mean, I don't know why it's here. Communication. I'm just copying everything. Writing. Oh, writing is done. Programming. That's it. If you want to add more, up to you. Advanced option again, same, but I don't have any kind of schedule or I don't have any kind of start and end date. I would just save and it's done. Once that's done, we come to keywords because we need to add our negative keywords. Negative keywords. Once you come to here, hit on negative keywords icon and then again it's campaign that's selected the new course and then we can write here our negative keywords. Now it's really difficult to find which are the negative keywords, but yes, there could be a option for you. What's that? Let's go back. And if you see, there is a search terms. Now here you will see those terms through which people search for your ads. And if you find them that these are not good and these are not relevant for your ad, highlight those words and put them into negative keywords or download that data and then, put that into your negative keywords. That could be an option. Because how many keywords can you think about it, right? There could be n number of negative keywords through which Google can show your ads. So you cannot think about it, but yes, you can make your efforts to not to show your ad on negative comments or negative keywords, right? Suppose as if now I don't have any search data. So what I put here is I can say low, cheap, low, cheap, worst, and these kind of, negative keywords like uneducated. I know this could not be a relevant one, but yeah, I just need to put something. So what I do is I would say low, cheap, words, and you get uneducated, and I would say save. That's it. And now, which are these? These are my broad match. Why? Because people can use these with their prefix and suffix. So what I need to do is I need to make it in a broad match so that they are open. If anyone will search with this word, my ad will not gonna show them. That's it. So this was all about a negative keyword. Then of course, lastly, we want to add our bid adjustment. We want to play with that. So what I'll do is I come back to my Google Ads. I'm in the dashboard. Then I come back to my new courses, my campaign. And inside that again, we'll go to devices. Inside the devices, if you can see, there are bid adjustments. You can make it on computer, mobiles, tablets. You have ad schedules. If you want to make any kind of ad schedules, again, you have locations. So let's play with it a little bit so that we can make a little bit of bid adjustments, right? Now, suppose I want to give a target or I want to make a, bid adjustment on devices. Suppose I thought that whosoever will see my ad on tablets, I want to increase the bid at that moment. So suppose on on tablets, I increase my bid with 10%. Save. And it's done. And suppose I want to decrease for those who will see on mobile phones. I decrease by 10% over there. Oh wait, 10%. Save. Right? One is positive. Oh, I did not choose. I think negative. Save. One is negative and one is positive. Right? Similarly, I don't want to get into ad schedule. If you want to make any kind of ad schedule and then you want to make a bid adjustment, up to you. Similarly for locations, as I have targeted only India right here. If you want to target more, then inside the India, you want to give a bid adjustment, you may go for this. And suppose if you want to target a particular age or particular gender, up to you. According to me, you not go for this one because I feel if you are giving services are same for all. You should not make any kind of criteria for this. But if you are providing something which is only for the specific age, then yes, you can go for this bid. Similarly goes for gender. These are not, I believe, I really do not make any kind of bid adjustment on these things, like on age or genders. I personally go for only devices, and lastly I can go for ad schedules or locations. That's it. I only play with these things at my real time. Otherwise, I do not go for these options. So this was mine, and this is how we have done our complete the campaign. We have added some extensions, we have added the negative keywords, and we have also played with bid adjustments. So this was all about, and this is how we have completed our full campaign, right? But I know there are some things are left, just like our manual CPC. This is what we have chosen, the manual CPC, right? But instead of that, there were so many other costs. I'll let you know, and I'll add on those options as well. But 95% we'll go for manual CPC. That's our main criteria, right? Second option, we have left with URL options. I'm gonna cover that as well on the video of it. And third, I'm gonna let you know if anything is still left in the campaign. All right, that's all for now, and I want you to do as much as the practice you can do, because this is what it should be in your practice, because I don't want you to waste the time on your ads. I just want you to be a successful ad runner so that you can grow your business. That's it. All right, that's all for now. Keep yourself safe, and I'll see you in the next lecture.